What's up everybody, WhatsApp finally starts rolling out its first animated stickers pack to beta users. In this video I will show you an easiest way to install these animated stickers on your Android. So let's start it. First of all, take a quick backup of your WhatsApp chats and uninstall WhatsApp which you are using now. After doing this, open WhatsApp beta version link from description which will redirect you to this apkmirror.com. Now swipe up and press this green download button. Open download section of your browser and wait until it will be downloaded. Now install this WhatsApp. Press agree and continue button. Now verify your mobile number and allow all permissions. If you took a backup of your chat, that will appear here. You can restore that. Now let's check out the new stickers. Open any conversation, press on the small emoji icon at bottom. In the stickers tab, press on this plus icon. Now in some stickers you can see a small plus sign. This sign indicates that pack includes animated stickers. As of now, you will get to see only a few animated sticker packs. Now let's download these packs. Going back to conversation, here you can see your new animated stickers. While this feature will certainly be a step up from the normal stickers, making conversation more fun and interactive for users, at the moment it is still in beta. It is not clear when WhatsApp will add animated stickers to the main version. I am sure we will get to see these stickers in stable version of WhatsApp soon. There is a big drawback to these animated stickers. As per current implementation, these animated stickers do not play on loop. There is still no clarification on whether WhatsApp will decide to loop these stickers or enable user to add the ability to loop these stickers. So that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you all for watching and I will see you all in next one. Till then, stay home, stay creative.